Hello everybody, it's the Kate and Luke show on Christmas morning.
Here we go. The soundtrack.
Hello, this day we have a fun song for Christmas Day. You get so many presents that you have the time to gather. And time flies to Christmas Day. All the things we do is Christmas Day. We do the things we just don't follow the Christmas Day. We have this baby for birthday and baby Jesus and happy birthday, dear baby.
Alright, yay! Good job. Bow to the crowd. Bow to the crowd. Can you bow, Luke? Oh, alright. Luke, can you bow?
I know, that's what I said.